and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner, where we explore fascinating topics in education. Today we are going to dive in the concept of constructivism theory. Jean Piaget's development psychology work in the early 20th century emphasized the idea that children actively construct their own understanding of the world as they interact with it. In the 1960s and 70s, other theorists such as Lev Vygotsky and Jaume Brunner further developed the idea of constructivism in education. At its core, constructivism emphasizes that learners actively construct their own knowledge through their experiences. This theory suggests that education should be a process of discovery and inquiry rather than a mere transfer of information. By intertwining prior knowledge with new information, learners deepen their understanding. Now let's explore the advantages of using constructivism theory in education. Firstly, this approach fosters critical thinking skills. By encouraging students to think independently, analyze information critically, and evaluate their own understanding, they become capable of solving complex problems. Secondly, constructivism promotes a deeper engagement in the learning process. When students have a sense of ownership and control over their education, they become more motivated and invested in their own learning journey. Apply constructivism theory in the classroom can be exciting. Here are some effective implementation strategies. First, create collaborative learning environments where students can actively engage with their peers, exchanging ideas and learning from each other's perspectives. Second, provide hands-on activity and real-world experience through projects that allow students to apply theoretical concepts to practical situations. Lastly, use open-ended questions and prompts to encourage students to think critically, formulate hypotheses, and explore multiple perspectives. Some successful examples are project-based learning, inquiry-based learning, flipped classroom, collaborative learning, experimental learning, problem-based learning, and role-playing. So let's talk about the role of the teacher in this scenario. While constructivism theory places learners at the center, the role of the teacher remains vital. Teachers become facilitators, guides, and mentors in this approach. They create a supportive learning environment, ensuring all students feel valued and involved. Teachers also assess and monitor students' progress, providing feedback to guide their learning. In conclusion, constructivism theory offers numerous advantages in education. It nurtures critical thinking, promotes intrinsic motivation, and fosters deep engagement in the learning process. By implementing this theory through collaborative learning, hands-on experiences, and open-ended questions, educators empower students to become active participants in their own learning journey. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.